Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to allow microphone access on WhatsApp web on your PC with the new update. The process is quite simple, so let's jump right into it. First, open your WhatsApp web account on your PC. Next, look for the lock icon next to the web address and click on View Site Information. This will bring up a menu where you can access various settings for the website. Now, click on Site Settings to open up the Permissions menu. Here, you will see options for various permissions such as camera, microphone, and notifications. To enable the microphone, simply locate the microphone option under Permissions and toggle the switch to enable it. This will allow WhatsApp web to access your microphone for voice calls and audio messages. And that's it. You have successfully allowed microphone access on WhatsApp web on your PC. Now you can enjoy seamless communication with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.